Welcome to our channel BBC Rare Coins. In today's video, I'm going to show you a United States of America 1-cent coin, which is extremely rare and valuable. If you have it, it can make you rich overnight. Top 1. What if I told you that a simple 1980 US 1-cent penny could be worth an incredible $66,000? That's right. One of the most ordinary coins could turn out to be a small fortune hiding in plain sight. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to look for, the rare features that make this penny so valuable, and how to check if you have one of these rare gems in your coin jar right now. Stick around. This could be the easiest $66,000 you'll ever make. Why is a 1980 penny worth $66,000? Most 1980 pennies are worth just 1 cent. But some rare versions with minting errors and special features have sold for tens of thousands of dollars at auction. A 1980 penny with a rare error recently shocked collectors by selling $4.66,000. Key errors and features that increase value. 1. Double die obverse. DDO. One of the most valuable errors is the double die obverse. This happens when the design is accidentally stamped twice, resulting in slight doubling of the text and date. Look closely at Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date, 1980. Even subtle doubling can skyrocket the value of your penny. 2. Off-center strike. Sometimes coins are struck off-center, causing the design to shift to one side. If your penny's design looks misaligned by 10% to 50%, it could be a valuable off-center error. The more off-center the coin, while keeping the date visible, the higher its value. 3. Broad strike error. A broad strike penny is one that's pressed without the collar that shapes the edge, making the coin wider and flatter. This error is rare and can fetch a hefty price at auctions. 4. No mint mark. Rare Philadelphia mint error. In rare cases, a 1980 penny might lack a mint mark, which could signal an error or a test strike. Mint mark pennies from this year can be valuable, especially in mint condition. The $66,000 penny. A recent auction highlighted a 1981 cent penny with a double die error recently sold for an astonishing $66,000 at auction. Collectors are on the hunt for more, and one of these rare pennies could be hiding right in your loose change. How to check if your 1980 penny is valuable. Examine the text and date. Use a magnifying glass to carefully inspect the date 1980 and the words Liberty and In God We Trust. Look for shadowing, doubling, or slight overlaps. Check for off-center strikes. Compare your penny to others. If the design is shifted or incomplete, you could have a valuable off-center strike. Inspect the edges. A penny that feels wider or smoother than normal could be a broad strike error. Look for missing mint marks. Flip the coin and check for a mint mark below the date. If you don't see one, this could indicate a rare no mint mark error. Why are these pennies so valuable? Rarity. Coins with errors or unique features are rare and hard to find. Collector demand. Coin collectors are constantly searching for rare pennies, driving prices higher. Condition. Coins in mint state or with minimal were the most valuable. Could you be holding a $66,000 penny? Rare 1980 pennies are still out there, and you might have one hiding in your pocket, purse, or piggy bank. Don't ignore your pennies. Take a moment to inspect them carefully. You could be holding the key to a $66,000 treasure. Top 2. What if I told you that a simple 1998 US 1-cent penny, the same coin you probably pass by every day, could be worth up to $52,000? Yes, you heard that right. That tiny, ordinary-looking penny could be a rare and valuable treasure. In this video, I'll reveal exactly what makes the 1998 penny so valuable, how to spot rare versions, and how you can potentially cash in on this surprising coin. Stay tuned. By the end, you might just be $52,000 richer. Why is a 1998 penny worth $52,000? Most 1998 pennies are worth just their face value, but a select few have unique minting errors or rare variations that can fetch a massive price at auctions. Recently, a rare 1998 penny sold for $52,000, stunning collectors and sparking interest in coin hunting. Key features and errors to look for. 1. 1998 wide AM error. Rare variety. One of the most sought-after 1998 pennies features the wide AM error on the reverse tail side. Look at the spacing between the letters A and M in the word America. If there's a noticeable gap between the A and M, You could have the rare, wide AM variety. Point 2. Close AM. Standard variety, the typical 1998 penny features a close AM, where the A and M are touching or nearly touching. The wide AM version is the one that could make your penny worth thousands. 3. Double die obverse. DDO. Some 1998 pennies have a double die error on the front side obverse. This error happens when the design is stamped twice, causing a slight doubling on the date, Liberty, or In God We Trust. Use a magnifying glass to carefully inspect the lettering for signs of doubling. Even minor doubling can increase value. Point 4. Off-center strikes. Off-center strikes are coins where the design is shifted to one side, a penny that is 5% to 50% off-center, while still showing the full date, can be worth a lot to collectors. The $52,000 penny. What makes it special? A 1998 penny featuring the rare wide AM error and in mint condition, MS68. Recently sold for an incredible $52,000 at auction. Collectors prize this error because it was not intended for circulation, making it a rare discovery. How to check if your 1998 penny is valuable. Inspect the reverse back for wide AM. Use a magnifying glass and look carefully at the word America. If there is clear spacing between the letters A and M, you might have the valuable wide AM penny. Check for doubling on the front. Obverse. Look closely at Liberty and the date 1998. Slight doubling could indicate a valuable double die penny. Look for off-center strikes. If the coin's design appears shifted or incomplete, this could add significant value. Make sure the date is still clearly visible. This is crucial for high value. Why are these pennies worth so much? Minting errors are rare. Mistakes like the wide AM error or double dies don't happen often, making them highly collectible. Collector demand. Coin collectors are always hunting for rare and unusual coins, driving up the prices. Condition matters. Pennies in mint condition or with minimal will command the highest prices. Could you have a $52,000 penny? Rare 1998 pennies are still out there in circulation, waiting to be discovered. Check your piggy banks, jars, and old coin collections. That small copper penny could actually be worth $52,000. Top 3. Did you know a simple 1990 US 1-cent penny could be worth an unbelievable $73000? That's right. A coin you've probably seen 1,000 times could be the key to unlocking thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll break down exactly what makes the 1990 penny so valuable, what rare errors to look for, and how you can find one of these hidden treasures. Stick around. This could be the most valuable minute of your day. Why is a 1990 penny worth $73000? Well, most 1990 pennies are only worth their face value. A rare few feature minting errors and unique characteristics that send their value skyrocketing at auctions. Recently, a rare 1990 penny in pristine condition sold for a jaw-dropping $73000. Key features and errors to look for. 1. 1990 No-S proof penny. The jackpot coin. The most valuable 1990 penny is the No-S proof penny. Typically, proof pennies from the San Francisco Mint have an S mint mark. That a rare mistake resulted in a few proof coins with no mint mark. That if you find a 1990 penny without the S mark, you could be sitting on tens of thousands of dollars. 2. Double die obverse. DDO. Look for a doubled image on the obverse front of the coin. Pay close attention to Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date 1990. That even slight doubling can make a penny extremely valuable. Point 3. Off-center strike. Coins that were struck off-center can be worth more, depending on how much of the design is missing. A penny that is 15% to 50% off-center, but still shows the full date can bring in big bucks. 4. Wide AM error. Rare reverse variety on standard 1990 pennies. The letters A and M in America are very close together. However, if you spot a wide AM, where the letters are further apart, you could be looking at a rare error penny. The $73,000 penny. What makes it special? A 1990 proof penny with the rare No-S mint mark error recently sold for an astonishing $73000. These proof coins were part of limited production, making them one of the rarest and most sought-after pennies. How to check if your 1990 penny is valuable. Look for the mint mark, or lack of it. Flip the coin to the obverse front and inspect just below the date 1990 that a missing S on a proof coin is the rare jackpot. Examine the reverse for wide AM. On the back tail side, check the spacing between the A and M in America. A wide AM variety is highly valuable. Check for double dies. Use a magnifying glass to carefully inspect the words Liberty and In God We Trust. Doubling can appear faint, but even subtle doubling can mean big money. Look for off-center strikes. Compare the alignment of the design. If it looks shifted or incomplete, this could be an off-center strike, which collectors love. Why are these pennies worth so much? Rare minting errors. Coins with mistakes like the no S mint mark or wide AM errors are extremely rare. Collector demand. Coin collectors are constantly hunting for these unique finds, driving up their market value. Condition is key. A penny in mint or near mint condition will always fetch higher prices. Could you be holding a $73,000 penny? It's time to start checking. Your loose change, coin jars, and old collections point one of these rare 1990 pennies could be sitting right under your nose. Worth an incredible $73,000. Subscribe for more rare coin discoveries. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about valuable and rare coins, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your next rare coin discovery could be just 1 penny away and worth $73,000. Thanks for watching and happy coin hunting.